Hey guys, Andrew here with White Diamond Detail Products. Today we're going to show you how to add a durable layer of protection to your vehicle through our White Diamond Black Pearl Paint Protectant. So what you want to do is give this product a little shake. Grab an applicator like this. This is one of our microfiber foam applicator pads, perfect for applying waxes or protectants. We're just going to get a nice liberal amount right here in the middle of the applicator, and we're going to start making contact with the paint surface now. And I say make contact because you don't really have to rub this in or work this in like a traditional wax. Really, you just want to spread it as thin as you can on the panel that you're using or that you're working on and move across the surface like this. Tight circles are one of the better patterns to use when you're applying a wax or a protectant like this, because the multi-direction of your hand pattern is going to help fill in as many imperfections or cracks or scratches in the clear coat as possible and give you the best finish when you remove this. Okay, you ready? You start talking again?
Sure.
Okay, so now we've covered this panel with our black pearl, and one of the things that I like to tell people is this does not take very long to dry. If you're gonna black pearl your entire vehicle, what I like to tell people is if they start in one section, move all the way around the vehicle, by the time they're back to where they started, it's ready to come off.
I'm already rolling.
All right, so we're gonna let this cure up here for a few moments. And while that's happening, one of the best things about the product is you can really fly around the vehicle. As you see here, if you nick any plastic or rubber trims or moldings, that's totally fine. There's no carnauba in the formula, so it's not gonna bleach or discolor any of those aspects of the exterior. So you can see now that it's starting to cure up, it's turning white, it's ready to come off about now. So what we're gonna do is take a microfiber, fold this up into a nice little square section that you have some padding as you go across the car. Like I said, guys, doesn't really take much. As you notice, I can use about 2 finger strength here and remove this product. And one of the cool things, like I said, is you can really move fast around your car. Another great thing about the Black Pearl is this has no petroleum in it. So it's not gonna get hard to work with no matter how hot the vehicle gets. You can actually wax your car in a non-climate controlled environment right in the middle of the heat and sun. And it'll work exactly the same. See, that comes right off of that plastic, comes right off of any of these rubber seals, allowing for you to really move around the vehicle fast. If you have a buffer or any kind of applicator that you want to use, Black Pearl is great for that. And after you're done applying Black Pearl to the paint surface, it's a great idea to move on to the windows and the windshield. Again, Black Pearl is not a wax. So this product is gonna cover all of the imperfections and little scratches in the clear coat, and it's gonna form a brand new top layer over it. It's another reason that it works great on glass. And you're gonna notice once you buff it off that it's gonna be an extreme rain sheeting effect. So take a little microfiber here, make sure you have some padding from it folded up, and just start to buff this off exactly the way you would your paint. Once again, if it nicks a little bit of the rubber or the molding around the window, it's not a big deal. You just go ahead and wipe it off with the rest. And there you have it, guys. That's using White Diamond Black Pearl Paint Protectant on all of your painted surfaces and even your auto glass.